This video presents how you can migrate projects between BIMcloud versions. For migration, we must use ArchiCAD. In our example, we have two BIMcloud Basics installed on the same computer. One of them supports ArchiCAD 21 projects, while the other one ArchiCAD 22 projects. Two projects on the BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 21 will be migrated to ArchiCAD version 22. This process requires them to be moved to BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 22 at the same time. You can see the Graphisoft M Building project under the Graphisoft Park Project folder on BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 21, still in version 21 format. Also, you can see this project is in ArchiCAD 21 environment with joined users. The other project is the Graphisoft site, still in version 21 format. Now switch to the BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 22. Here you can find the same Graphisoft Park project folder with other already migrated version 22 projects. We would like to migrate the other ones to this folder as well. Back in ArchiCAD 21, before starting migration, make sure that all other users have sent their changes and left the project. Activate the Teamwork, Project, Migrate Project, Prepare for Migration menu command. Click Prepare in the Migrate Project dialog to prepare the project for migration. Note, the migration project might take several minutes depending on the size of the project. If you do not want to prepare any more projects, choose Finish Preparation from the next dialog box and then click Close. We have another project to migrate, so let's choose the Open Another Project option now and click Open. Select the side project from the list. Notice that the M Building is already locked. Click Open. Activate the Prepare for Migration again and click Prepare for this project as well. Choose now the Finish Preparation option, then click Close. Once you have prepared all the projects, they will be locked at their original place. Now you can start to migrate the prepared projects to the desired ArchiCAD version. Let's start an ArchiCAD 22. Activate Teamwork, Project, Migrate Prepared Projects command. In the appearing Migrate Project dialog box, you can see the previously prepared projects. Let's select one. Optionally, check the Migrate ArchiCAD Libraries checkbox to replace the project's currently used ArchiCAD libraries with ArchiCAD Library 22. Note, these libraries will be uploaded to the BIMcloud only if they are not there already. If you do not check this box, you will continue using the migrated project with its current library, in our example with ArchiCAD 21 library. Click Next. In the upcoming dialog box, choose a BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 22 destination server for the project. Select Gary for user. He is the project administrator of the team. Accept the destination path. In this case, the project will now migrate to the same Graphisoft Park project folder and click Migrate. The project content will be uploaded to the server. Users and their roles on this project will be unchanged. Note, the project log, comments, messages, and any reservations will be deleted during project migration. As you can see, the M Building appeared in the BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 22 as a version 22 project. Let's go ahead in ArchiCAD, choose the Migrate Another Project option and click Continue. Select now the Site project and click Next. Accept the same destination as before and click Migrate. Let's choose the Join the Migrated Project and click Continue. You can see this project in ArchiCAD 22. It is now ready to use and can join the other users as well. In BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 22, there are the newly migrated two projects in the same Graphisoft Park folder. Let's switch to BIMcloud Basic for ArchiCAD 21. The original projects are migrated, but they have been kept on the BIMcloud Basic 21 as well in a locked state. If you are certain the migration was successful, you can manually delete them from the original location. Note: if the Migrated Teamwork project contains any hot-linked modules or drawings, you must also migrate them following the previous process. It takes just a few steps, and you can easily migrate your earlier projects to the latest ArchiCAD version.